something. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place.
Hey you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, speaking of decorating, in today's video, we are going to decorate a buffet area in my home, and I hope that this will inspire you to use your buffet area, use your countertop space, use your stove, or whatever you have to set up a beautiful display this holiday season. I will also leave a link down in the description box below, along with a link in the comments, so that you can watch my Amazon Live and shop where I found all of these amazing items, so that you can go ahead and score them too. Don't forget to check out using the coupon codes and discount codes for that extra savings, because you guys know I love living Lux for Less. Without any further ado, let's hop right in. First thing first, let's make our stovetop beautiful this year. A lot of times people forget all about the stove being valuable real estate. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm using my Everyday Cookware by Caraway to create a beautiful and aesthetically pleasing stovetop this holiday season. So here are all of my pieces by Caraway. I absolutely love them. They are so beautiful. I love they are so long lasting, good quality. I love the gold handles and just the gold accessories on this particular, I guess this is a larger fryer. Also, I have the mid-size boiler in the back. I have a smaller one here, and I have the larger pot or boiler that you could use for like your greens and vegetables and all of those wonderful things. But what I love about this is that it is so aesthetically pleasing. I could just add like a simple, you know, something here in the warm zone that could really, like maybe a scent or something here that could really usher in the fall or Christmas or holiday season. I could put that right there and it would make my entire stovetop complete. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I will leave the link to my Amazon Live down below so that you guys can check it out, and I hope you guys try it out. Great pieces, I mean beautiful, but they are also really good in terms of heat. I have an electric stove, so they really help to even out the heat on the stove, and it really cooks your food really well. So not only is it beautiful, but it also is very functional in terms of cooking your delicious meal this holiday season. Now that our stovetop is complete, we are not leaving any valuable real estate. So we're going to use our countertop space to put out our cutlery, napkins, plates, what have you. And so these are some amazingly beautiful, you know, pieces that you want to pour down and have ready for your family, so that they could just kind of go throughout the buffet line. And I just think that's a great way to kind of just take advantage of all of your spacing. So you could do your dessert plates, your dinner plates, you could do everything in one space. You could do your bowls, your cups, whatever you want to add to this space, you definitely can, but you just want to make sure that you take advantage of all of the real estate all across your stove and your countertop area. Okay, you guys, and now it's time for the fun part. We're going to turn our bar area into a beautifully, aesthetically pleasing, luxuriously for less buffet, just in time for the holidays. Now, the first thing you want to do is add some buffet risers to add dimension to your space. Now, I ended up purchasing 2 different sizes of the buffet risers, and this particular size came with 3 in each set. I will link that video down where I shared these on Amazon. So I'm going to place these here, and I have another one that I am going to place on the opposite side. switch this around. I'm going to play a little switcheroo. Okay, so those are in place. The next thing that I want to do, and let me kind of turn this so you can see the entire buffet. There we go. Now the next thing I want to do is add some dimension as well. And as I said, the one set comes with 3, so you'll get a total of 6. And then the second set just comes with 1 set of 3, and this set comes with 2 sets of 3. The bigger set comes with 1 set of 3. I hope that didn't confuse you. All right, so the next thing I want to do is add a little dimension here and depth and interest. And so we're going to add in the smaller pieces here and here. I think they're absolutely gorgeous there. And then I want to put something right in front of those, and I want to put something here. So we're going to kind of spread everything out just a little bit because we want to take advantage of all of our space that is on the buffet. So next thing I want to do is I want to just kind of come in, and we're going to add a smaller piece here. Make sure we have more than enough space, and we do. So that looks amazing. And I want to add in my centerpiece, which is a pumpkin. I actually created this centerpiece live on Amazon. So if you want to see how to do this step by step, I'm going to link that video down below. You can watch that live tutorial, but it turned out absolutely gorgeous, and it's going to be our center of attention. So we're going to place that because I want to be right in the middle of the 2 lights. All right. So next up, we're going to add in, we can do some trays, we can do some bowls. So let's move this over just a little bit, and I'm going to add in a large tray. Okay, so we're going to add in a large tray here. And you can actually build on these with other trays as well. Then I'm going to add in a couple of bowls for sides. And I'm going to add in another bowl here. And let's see. Let's do some more bowls for sides. And we're just going to place them on either side here. And perhaps let's do here. And I love having the white dishes because they just kind of add to your overall presentation. You can also add in other little cute dishes. All these are from Dowling. Again, I linked them all on Amazon, so you can definitely check them out there. Great for sauces and gravies. Cranberry sauce. These are the same, great for sauces, gravies, cranberry sauces, and the list goes on. All right, so we still have real estate here and here. So we're going to spread this out a little bit. So we can come in. Let's come in just a little bit. All right. And then we are going to add a really cute platter that I got on the end for Thanksgiving. You guys let me know if you want me to do one of these for Christmas. We can do that. And I also got some cute pumpkin plates that we can use for desserts. And I'm going to place these in between each one. And we can put like breads and, you know, different things there as well. I think those are really cute. I'm going to also add in these little pumpkins that Nikki sent me in my gift exchange. You guys be sure to go check that out again if you haven't already. So I'm going to add those here. You can also leave spaces to label your food as well. And we still have some more space. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this here, and we can do like a tiered dessert tray. I'm going to add that right here on the end. I think that'll be perfect for desserts. And then I have some individual salt and pepper shakers. I think these will be great over, let's put these over by the place in the back. All right, and then we're gonna add some trays to the spaces that we have. Let's see, you have some larger trays you wanted to add to be able to put more things on the trays. These aren't quite large enough. You can do that there as well. Let's say you wanted a really large tray of something here. You could use this and kind of raise that area up and put a really large tray right there, and then you could put another one on this side. I don't have another one, so I'm going to leave this one off, but just kind of to give you guys an example of what you can do. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead, I like to add all of my serving pieces. You can also use these, you know, as a place to place your serving pieces. And go ahead and add all of those in, and it just makes serving so much easier. And there you have it, a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing Thanksgiving or a holiday buffet, Friendsgiving, what have you.
Meeting up by 7, you'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know, run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head.
And make sure you're using all of your countertop space, and just create little vignettes for each area, whether you want to do desserts in a space and, you know, cutlery and plates in a space, you name it. And I almost forgot, you guys, you can also add in your wine glasses, and you can add your dry ice. It would be absolutely gorgeous. I knew that this was looking kind of empty for a reason. I forgot to put the glasses in, and so you can definitely add those to your space as well. So, okay, you guys, that concludes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed my holiday buffet. I will leave the link to all the items that I featured in this video down in the description box below. And also be sure to check out that live if you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how I did that pumpkin centerpiece. I will link a video that I did, an old video from YouTube, and also I will link the exact live where I did that pumpkin centerpiece step-by-step down in the description box below as well. If you love this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys at the next one. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!